Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. Today, we will crochet a yummy strawberry. In this pattern, you can no need to sew between the leaf and the strawberry. This cute thing can make as a keychain, decoration on this curtain, or hair tie. If you like this video, please subscribe and give a like and share. With you big support, I will have motivate to create more videos for you. Here I am using 4-ply cotton yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Here we start with pink yarn. Makes a knot in a magic ring. Start with 2 chains. Makes 5 half double crochet puff stitch. Repeat 4 times. When finish a round, make a slip stitch. In round 1, start with 2 chains. Makes 5 half double crochet puff stitch in first stitch. And then 5 half double crochet puff stitch increase in the next 3. And 5 half double crochet puff stitch in the first stitch. And 1 slip stitch. This round is completed with 8 puff stitches. Remember, the puff stitch make between both puff stitch is not on top the puff stitch. In round 2, start with 2 chains. Makes 5 half double crochet puff stitch increase and 5 half double crochet puff stitch. Repeat this pattern 4 times. And 1 slip stitch. This round is completed with 12 puff stitches. In round 3, start with 2 chains, makes 5 half double crochet, puff stitch in every stitches, and 1 slip stitch. Total 12 puff stitches. In round 4, start with 1 chains. Make single crochet on top of the puff stitch. And 1 slip stitch. Total 12 stitches. In round 5, start with 1 chains. 6 decrease, and 1 slip stitch. Total 6 stitches. And now change to green color to make the part of leaf. In round 6, start with 1 chains. Six single crochet, and 1 slip stitch. Total 6 stitches. In round 7, start with 1 chains. 6 half double crochet increase, and 1 slip stitch. Total 12 stitches. In round 8, start with 5 chains. Start from the 2nd stitch. Do 1 single crochet, then 2 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet in the last stitch. Skip a chain and makes a slip stitches. Do repeat the pattern 6 times. choose to use glue to stick or sew it. It's not so hard, so I just sew it. Finally, the crochet strawberry is done. Thumbs up and share if you like it. Thanks for watching.